Without this, it's my lifeline. I'm not funny. That's not for the audience to see. Don't make me nervous. That's my job. It would have been. I have never been this nervous. So maybe. Hi guys, this is Lakshmi Nagaraju. A little bit about myself. I'm a software engineer by qualification. My journey began in India with some of the top MNCs, but I found my passion with people, so I obviously landed into HR functions and talent acquisition. I've all along found really good mentors and a lot of opportunities to grow, and that's one of the reasons why I'm here at Mark Ellis. So right now I'm the team delivery lead at Mark Ellis, and I see myself growing even further. I have around 7+ years of experience in talent acquisition, and in Dubai I'm 3 years old. Still a kid, but a long way to go. And all my experience in Dubai has been with Mark Ellis. So my journey with Mark Ellis began as a recruitment consultant. This was my first ever experience as a recruiter because I have done talent acquisition in a different format earlier. So I'm very grateful that I got this opportunity with practically no recruitment experience. But with constant guidance from the management, I got an opportunity to eventually grow as an account manager, where I was more in a client-facing role. And eventually, as we grew, I grew too. So now I'm a team delivery lead of 15 beautiful people. How I came to know about Mark Ellis, I had one of my friends who was working here. She introduced me to Aus and Zaid. My first meeting was with Aus, and it was a very pleasant meeting. I got a very good positive vibe about that meeting because Aus took me through the whole recruitment process, how recruitment is done in an agency. He also educated me about UAE market, which was very new to me, and he made me feel very comfortable. And above all, he trusted in me, and he gave me the responsibility once he felt that I was able to do it. My second meeting was with Zaid. It was a phone call. And Zaid had asked me a lot of practical questions, and he also made me understand what his vision is about Mark Ellis and how I could contribute. So that was also a very good interaction that I had with Zaid. The first and the most important thing is we are a family. I feel very supported, and it's not only from the management but also from the team. We have our fun time while we are working and delivering. Second, and also another important point is that we have all the tools, and whenever we need help, we always have the doors open to have a chat, whether it's with us, Zaid, whether it's with the other team members. We always have this opportunity to have a conversation, and it's not only about work, it's anything that is bothering you or anything that you'd like to share as an idea. The communication channels are always open, so it's another great thing that makes it a great place to work. And the third and the most important thing is opportunity for growth. If you see my own career, I was able to explore different opportunities within the span of 3 years, which I don't think a lot of workplaces offer. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of things that I've learned in Mark Ellis, but it's a difficult question to merge everything into one. But the crux of what we do is we're very passionate to help people, whether it's our clients or whether it's offering an opportunity for our candidates. So everything is done with a lot of passion and a lot of empathy, and that's how we not only deliver work, but we also deliver dreams. Well, this is a risky one. I enjoy dancing. I always wanted to professionally learn dancing, but then obviously I never got the opportunity to, but I enjoy dancing when no one's watching. And I occasionally sing. I enjoy cooking and spending time in my garden. My favorite food is anything South Indian, to be specific, because that's what my mom has extensively made, so it takes me back to my roots, so I enjoy South Indian food. Thank you guys, it was great sharing my experiences with you guys. And if you ever feel that you want to have a chat, and if you want to know more about the opportunities that we offer, please feel free to reach out to me through any of the social media channels at Mark Ellis, or message me on LinkedIn. I'll be there for you. Bye!